Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to merge duplicate customers in Housecall Pro. Let's get started. First, log into your Housecall Pro dashboard on desktop, and then from the left-hand menu, you will click on Customers, and then just click on that. And once you're on the Customers page, take a moment to locate the duplicate profiles that you would like to merge. You can use the search bar at the top to find each version of the customer. And now, you can click on one of the customer's profile in the upper right corner or right here, and then you will have to click the three dots, also known as the More menu. And from the drop down, you can choose the Merge Customer. However, if you cannot find that or if you do not have that kind of option, then it is most likely because you haven't upgraded yet or you're currently using a free trial, you do not have the full access or you don't have the full version. However, if you do have it, then you will see that option. And what you will have to do is click the More menu, then choose Merge Customer, and the next, Housecall Pro will ask you to select the duplicate customer that you would want to merge with. Choose the correct match from the list that appears and confirm your selection. The system will combine all history, jobs, and invoices under one profile. And that's it. Your customer data is now cleaner and easier to manage. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful.